So no doubt by now, we're all probably familiar with at least hearing the word Zoom. Zoom is a teleconferencing system similar to Skype, but has some other cool features that are especially helpful for the budding podcaster. Now, to get started, you'll obviously have to get Zoom for free. You do not have to have a pro account per se, especially if you know what the limitations of the free account are. It's perfect for class assignments and class podcasts, or even if you're a seasoned podcaster like myself. As long as you know the limitations, Zoom is pretty much where it's at. To get started, you can go to zoom.us and go to their download center and go ahead and select the client that is applicable to your Mac or PC. You'll sign up for a free account at that same time. Now, when you do, you'll notice and you'll be prompted which one you want to have. You'll sign up under the basic free account, and here's why. If you are just doing this for a podcast and you're a podcaster and you have a single interviewee remotely, you have unlimited one-to-one meetings, and that includes recording. So for myself, as a podcaster outside of Western, we use this often and we've used it all around the world to be able to connect to our remote interviewees and bring them onto our show. If you do have more than one user, you do get 40 minutes for everybody in that group, and including 40 minutes of recording, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It keeps you as a podcaster kind of on point to make sure that your show is going the way that it is and that you're well prepared well in advance of your show. Like I said, if you know this limit, it's not that big of a problem. And because of COVID-19, at the time of this recording, this may have been lifted or at least being lenient by the company, but don't plan on that in the future. So once you have a free basic account and you've downloaded the client, let me show you what the client looks like and what the next steps are for you to get into podcast land.